So hi there, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to upload images and videos to your social media posts using Buffer. So this is a key step to making your content more eye-catching and engaging. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, when you log into your Buffer account, you'll find the channels that you've connected on this section. There's on the left side. So let's say, for example, I want to add a video here on my Facebook page. I'll just click on it like that. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll go to this section where it says new post. When I click on new post, it will give me this section. Now from this section, I can go ahead and import my image that I want to add to this post. So I will click on this icon here. Then it will direct me back to my I want to add this image. So I'll click on it, and then automatically it will be added to this section. Then before you add the picture to this section or the video that you are going to do, you need to also write text up here. So let's say, for example, I use this AI assistant to give me a customized post that I want to appear there. So let's say, for example, customize posts for social media. So I'll just say write. So let's say, for example, I just prompt this AI that writes a post on how to customize Buffer like that. Then I click and generate. Once I click generate, it will go ahead and give me the message that I want to type here or insert at the top part. You can also go ahead and write it manually there. So I will insert that text. Then I can go ahead and also customize some insert some emojis and all that. Just if you want to see how to customize a video using Buffer, I've done a video on that, so you can go ahead and do that. So for example, if you want also to add a video to this section, you can follow the same process like this. Click on this icon, then go back to where your video is saved on your laptop. Then click on the video. Buffer supports MP4 videos, so it comes here. Then it will be added automatically to your Buffer account. And so I'll just go ahead and cancel this because I'm just showing it as an example. So once you're done adding your photos, you've written your text up here, then your video that you want to be seen, you will go ahead and add to queue if you want it to be seen, or maybe share now. That will be shared immediately to your page. Then you can also schedule your post at what time or what day you want your media post to appear on your social media. So that is how you can upload images and videos to your Buffer posts. Adding visual makes your content more engaging and effective. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more social media tutorials. See you in the next, and thank you for watching.